The American Council of Trustees and Alumni recently released the results of a poll they conducted among American four-year college graduates, and it wasn't pretty. Just listen to this. Nearly 10% of the graduates polled thought that Judge Judy serves on our Supreme Court. Judge Judy, as in Judith Sheindlin, a judge who has a television show called Judge Judy, where she presides over a small claims court. And in Judge Judy's televised courtroom, family members punch and scream at each other. People sue each other over the stupidest, craziest things for the smallest amounts of money. It's a far cry from the Supreme Court, in other words. And yet a lot of college grads in the United States have no idea, because the only court they're interested in is the one on TV, the court of public opinion. That wasn't the only stupid answer college grads gave in the poll either. About 59% of them also believe Thomas Jefferson was the father of the Constitution. He wasn't. That was James Madison. Jefferson was the Declaration of Independence guy. Now, I'm sure most Americans are a little fuzzy on all that, let's be real. I'm not sure I would get all that kind of stuff right if I was put on the spot. But here's where it goes from being like just another silly poll to something more to think about. Because the poll also found that a majority of Americans' recent college grads were unable to identify the method for amending the Constitution. They also didn't know the process for presidential impeachment. They didn't know a lot about how the government actually works. These are the people that just got out of school, mind you. In other words, a majority of our supposedly brightest, newly minted adults are nowhere near being informed, engaged citizens. And that would seriously upset America's founders, who explicitly admonished that those citizens would be the indispensable guardian of our liberty. But we've dispensed with them, all right. That's what makes this more than just a little silly headline about Judge Judy. And that was really the point behind the American Council of Trustees and Alumni's poll, which is a part of their report called A Crisis in Civic Education. And a crisis it is. Because if our supposedly brightest citizens don't know how the government works in order to protect our rights, our liberty doesn't have a chance in hell. Tonight, let's talk about that.